Good morning, dear students. In last period, you have seen automatically arranging the icons, gadgets, arrow themes, changing the desktop background, changing the screensaver. Now we will see students window. What is window, students? Let us see. Whenever you open a program, document or folder, it opens in a rectangular box with a frame called window. See here, this is a rectangular box window. It looks like this. You can maximize a window, minimize it or close it. You can also have many windows open at the same time. To understand how to do this task, let us first learn to open a window. What you do? Let us see. For example, to open the notepad window, follow these steps. You have to open the notepad window. So what you have to do? You have to follow the given steps. Number one step, click the start button. You have to click, first of all you have to click the start button and then click all programs option you have to click. Then afterwards click accessories and then click notepad. The notepad window appears. The notepad window has many parts as shown in the figure. See here, this is the notepad window. See here, what you look in this. On the top, title bar. Here menu bar is there. See, file, edit, format, view, help. This is what menu bar. See here, minimize button and this is maximize button. Here close button is there, cross sign is there. This is what this is what close button, and this is document area, and this is scroll bar to move page up and down horizontally or vertically. This notepad you have to type in this area. You are looking this, type your name, type the text message or else. Now see, let us see students, title bar. The title bar is placed at the top of the window. See here, this is the title bar, it placed as the window. It displays the name of the current document and the program that is notepad. Unless a notepad document is saved, it is named as untitled. The right corner of the title bar contains 3 buttons. How many buttons? It contains 3 buttons. Which are they, students? Now see, minimize button. See here, minimize button. The maximize, restore down button and close button. Maximize, restore down button. See here, this is minimize button and this is maximize button. And the close button is shown here. Now see, the minimize button is used to reduce the size of the window. काय के लिए यूज किया जाता है मिनिमाइज बटन? साइज को रिड्यूस करने के लिए. टू ए स्मॉल बटन ऑन द टास्क बार. टू मिनिमाइज ए विंडो, क्लिक द maximize button. To minimize a window, you have to click the minimize button. This button you have to minimize. This minus sign is given there. This button you have to minimize. To restore a window after it has been minimized, click the button of the window on the taskbar. The window reappear. Now see, the maximize button is used to change the size of the window to full screen. What is the use of maximize button? To change the size of the window into to full screen. फुल स्क्रीन में आपको अगर कुछ देखना हो तो कुछ मैसेज अगर आपने टाइप किया है या कुछ नेम टाइप किया है तो उसे फुल स्क्रीन में देखने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? मैक्सिमाइज बटन प्रेस करना पड़ेगा. टू मैक्सिमाइज ए विंडो, click the maximize button. The window appears full screen. The maximize button then changes to restore button. The restore down button is used to change the size of the window to its previous size. To restore a window after it has been maximized, click the restore down button. The window shrinks to previous size and restore down button now changes to maximize button. The close button is used to close a window. To close the window, click the close button. After that, after your work over, what you have to do? You have to close the window. So what you have to do? You have to press this, you have to click on this close button. Now see here, now we will see menu bar. The menu bar is placed just below the title bar. टाइटल बार के नीचे क्या है, मेनू बार आपको उधर दिखाई दे रहा है. सी हियर, दिस इज द मेनू बार. फाइल, एडिट, फॉर्मेट, व्यू, हेल्प. दिस इज व्हाट मेनू bar. It contains various menus for the commands available in the notepad. A menu is list of related options. This is the option of menu bar: file, edit, format, view and help. This is the option of menu bar. Now see students, scroll bar. The scroll bar helps to navigate through the document horizontally and vertically when the window is not large enough to display all the information. What is the use of scroll bar? You have to navigate it horizontally or vertically. So see here, they have shown horizontally and vertically to move the page up and down. Now see document area. The document area is the place where your text appear. You can type and edit your text here. See, this is the document area. You have to type here and edit your text here. Anything you can write, your name, suppose you have to type a letter, you can type here in this document area. Now see students, jump list. What is jump list? The jump list is a new feature of Windows 7. Jump list क्या है? ये न्यू फीचर है Windows 7 का. That provides you quick access to the recently and frequently accessed items such as files, folders or website. What are present in jump list? Files, folders or website of some specific program that is used to open those items. You can open any item appearing in the jump list by clicking on it. First of all, you have to click and then only you have to select the options on it. The jump list for a program can be viewed by simply right clicking on the program. What you have to do? You have to click right button on the program icon on the text bar. Once the jump list is open, you can select the desired file from the list to open it. What is in jump list? Once the jump list is open, what you have to do? You can select the desired file from the list to open it. See here, jump list is open. Now you have to open anything, notepad, any folder you can open on this jump list.